Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Wix, how to create your website on Wix for ethical and fair trade products. Business easy and quick. So first type Wix on the search. So as we know, Wix website is a type of website that you can create easily using a platform called Wix. It helps you build your own site without needing to know much about coding. Wix offers various tools to design, add content and customize your site, making it accessible for people who aren't tech savvy. So first create a new site. Now build with Wix editor. So enter your business or your website type. For example, let's choose this. Now enter your business name or your website name. Type any business name you want. So here if you want to add something to your website, so this I'm gonna choose them all. Now go to dashboard. So design your site from here. How would you like to design your website? If you wanna let Wix create a site for you, or if you wanna customize the design template. So for me I'm gonna choose this, it's more easier. Here enter your information, your business name, your email, your address and your phone, and here if you wanna add social link. So let's continue. Pick a theme you like. Now pick your favorite homepage design. So for example this. Here if you want to add some page to your site. Now let's continue. Now your site is up and running. So if you want to edit more your site, click here, go to the editor. So this is your homepage website. Here if you want to add some elements, click here. So the first element here is the text. You can select the text, the shape or the form of the text you want. Also the titles, the same thing, and the paragraphs. So that's it. Now let's move on to the image elements. Also here if you're looking for something, if you want to upload image, if you want to import image, if you're looking for some free Wix image, or for some free Wix illustrations. Now let's move on to the button. Here find the buttons elements, the themed buttons, the icon and the text and icon buttons, the icon buttons, the image buttons, the document buttons, and the iTunes buttons. And the last here is the payments buttons. You have to add some payments buttons on your homepage website. Now let's move on to the strip. So here the strip, if you want to add classic or featured, about, services, contact and welcome, testimonials and theme. So if you want to add something, just put it on your homepage at any place you want. Now let's move on to the decorative. Here you find the shapes, the seamed lines, the basic shapes, the rows, the horizontal lines and the vertical lines. Here find the vector arts, the featured, the icons, animals and nature, and the logos and the badges and the characters. Here find the video, the elements. Here the video box, the video mask and transparent video. Here find the boxes, elements, the themed boxes, the container boxes and the over boxes and the tabs. Now let's move on to the galleries. Here the recommended galleries, the pro galleries or the guide galleries or the slider galleries, or here if you want to show more galleries. So that's it. Now let's move on to the menu and the anchor. Here you find your menus, the themed menu, the horizontal menus and the vertical menus. Here you find the in-page navigation, the anchor and the in-page menu, and the last here is the search, the site search. Now let's move on to the contact and forms. So this is all for all the forms you have to add on your website: the contact forms, the order forms, the registration forms, the donation forms, the application forms, the feedback forms, and the request forms, and the waiver forms, and the subscribe forms. So you have to add any one of them here on any place on your website as you like. Now let's move on to the Google Maps. Here find the normal maps and the full width maps. So that's it. Here find the Wix chat button and the line button. Now let's move on to the video and music. Here we find the video elements. If you want to add some video player, some single video players, Wix video or video box or video mask or transparent video. And here we find the music elements, the audio players, the Wix music and SoundCloud player and Spotify player and iTunes player. So that's it. Now let's move on to the interactive. Here we find the slideshows, the full width slideshows or the box slideshows. Here we find the light boxes, and here the last is the boxes, the over boxes, and the tabs. Here we find the repeaters, the over repeaters. So if you want to add something from here, just select and add it on your homepage website. Now let's move on to the list. Also here we find the repeaters, the over repeaters, and the blank repeaters. Now let's move on to the embed code. If you want to custom some popular embeds, if you want to add some single video players, here if you want to edit your audio elements. Also here you find the advanced elements, the marketing tools or the dev mode, and here you find the animation elements. So let's move on. Here the social bars. If you want to add some social bars or Facebook link, the Twitter or Pinterest or VK or Line, and here also YouTube. So let's move on to the payments, the payment section here. If you want to add some payments buttons or payments forms or pricing plans or the store, if you want to edit your store section here. So also here we find the CMC here. If you want to CMS, if you want to easily manage your site contents. Here we find the blog, the store, and the bookings elements and the related elements. We find the events and the community and your designs. So that's it. Now if you want to add some sections, click here, select any section from here you want and add it on your homepage website. Here if you want to manage your pages and menus. So here if you want to add some pages or menus. Now let's move on to the site design. Here if you want to customize your site design, the color theme or the text theme or the page background or the page transitions. Here if you want to add some apps, if you want to manage your business. Here if you want to upload your media. So here if you're looking for something, if you want to upload your media, if you want to edit images and videos, if you're looking for some free Wix images or free Wix videos, if you want to easily manage your site content. And the last here is marketing and SEO. So if you want to edit the Google ads or Facebook ads, SEO and social media marketing and the marketing integrations. So that's it. Now if you're after you're done from this, you can design your website homepage here. If you want to move the sections, if you want to move it down or move it up, if you want to do a quick edit, if you want to explore section layout, here if you want to more actions, if you want to duplicate or delete the section. So that's it. Here also you can edit the homepage website. Now if you're done from designing your website, all you have to do is click here publish, and you're gonna publish your website, easy and quick. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end and see you in the next video.